So in this video I'm going to show you how to do the Purl Two Together decrease. As you can see from this little sample, on the right side of the work it's a right leaning decrease, but the actual decrease itself is worked on the wrong side usually, especially when you're doing something like stockinette. So if we work on the wrong side, now if you're working a decrease on the edge of your piece for something like an armhole, I would recommend leaving the first two stitches, working those as normal, and then doing the decrease. It just leaves a much neater edge. So your pattern will actually though tell you where to place the decrease. So if I just work these two stitches as normal, okay, and now we're going to do our Purl Two Together decrease, and it's very simple. You're going to purl, you're going to insert your needle into the first stitch and into the second stitch. So you can see I've gone through both of those loops, and then we're just going to wrap the yarn as normal. So we're going to purl, pull the loop through, slide the stitches off the needle, and it's as simple as that. And that's your Purl Two Together decrease. That will decrease one stitch every time you perform it, and on the right side that will lean to the right.